All right, so for number 9, we're going to multiply or divide the polar expressions. And again, these are just a formula that you need to memorize. So when you multiply two complex numbers, you multiply the r values, which in this case are 2 and 3, and then I take the theta values and add them together. So 2 times 3 is 6. Pi over 4 plus pi over 2 is 3 pi over 4. So therefore, cosine of 3 pi over 4 and sine of 3 pi over 4. Okay, now evaluate. If you gave me this answer, I would accept it. Okay. However, if you want to keep going, giving your angle in rectangular form, then you could evaluate cosine of 3 pi over 4 to get root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. And sine of 3 pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. So therefore, you get, now distribute the 6. You want to take that 6 and distribute it here and distribute it here. So therefore, you get negative 3 root 2 plus 3i root 2, or 3 root 2i. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Same thing for this one, except for with division, you divide the r values and you subtract the angles. So 20 divided by 5, I'm going to replace it with that cis form, but remember that just means cosine plus I sine of the angle. In this case, 5 pi over 6 minus pi over 2. So 5 pi over 6 minus pi over 2 gives you pi over 3. So 4 cosine pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3. Or, taking that a step further and evaluating that, cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2, sine of pi over 3 is 2, so therefore 4 times 1/2 plus I 4 times 2, root 3 over 2, I missed that, root 3 over 2, so therefore 2 plus 2i root 3.